Hey everyone, it's Mel from CJ Pony Parts, and today I'll be going over how to properly clean your wheels and tires. First, make sure your wheels are completely cool to the touch. You never want to work on hot wheels since that can cause cleaners to dry too quickly and leave spots. Start by adding soap to your Chemical Guys bucket, strainer included to filter out debris, and agitating the soap to get it sudsy. Our next step is to thoroughly rinse the wheel. This helps knock off loose dirt, dust, and debris before you begin scrubbing. Next, spray your Diablo Gel Wheel Cleaner evenly across the entire wheel. Make sure you hit the face, the barrel, and around the lug nut areas. This will help break down dust and grime. Now it's time to put that cleaner to work. If you have access to a barrel brush, reach inside the wheel and clean the inner barrel thoroughly. Then use a wheel face brush, the one with softer bristles, to scrub the spokes and the front surface, working in the product. Then switch to a smaller detailing brush to clean tight areas like around lug nuts and crevices. After that, grab a stiff brush and scrub the tire sidewall to remove buildup, dirt, and old tire dressing. Once everything is clean, rinse the wheel thoroughly. Make sure all cleaner and loosened debris are completely washed away. If your wheels are especially dirty, you may want to repeat the process a second time. I know I should have cleaned my wheel wells. Oops. Now, dry the wheels using a clean microfiber towel or an air blower. Finally, apply protection. Add tire dressing to the sidewalls for a clean, finished look. And repeat the process on the rest of your wheels and tires. And that's it, clean wheels with a professional looking finish.